If the world was to end and this building was to like fly, like flip, like tilting that way, and you was running that way, no one would survive.
Why would you run that way?
Because
when the building is falling on you. You run
because the cars are coming this way. You see that car right there?
You run on the sidewalk.
You run on the sidewalk, but there's a lot of debris right there coming at you. You see, there's going to be a lot of debris. There's going to be a lot of debris, aka glass. You see all that glass? It's going to wind up coming somewhere.
If you run that way, you'll die.
Regardless.
Because the thing, it will fall.
And if you run that, and if you run either that way, them things will come busting, coming at you. I'm just saying, a lot of possibilities can happen. The only slight possibility of you to live, if you did go either direction, is if, well, the front, if that way is if you didn't get hit by glass. Or you can go run that way. If that little middle piece didn't fall right there, and if you went right middle there, you probably live. That's it. That's as much credit I would give anyone if they actually did that.